हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेट्स गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट। फोक्समुला एक एडटेक कंपनी है जो कि कंटेंट राइटर के जॉब रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रही है। दिस इज अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब एंड फॉर अ रिमोट लोकेशन। दैट मींस कि ये एक वर्क फ्रॉम होम का जॉब है एंड आप पार्ट टाइम बेसिस पर इसको कर सकते हैं। नाउ लेट अस चेक द जॉब ओवरव्यू। वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ कंटेंट राइटर टू जॉइन आवर एडिटोरियल टीम एंड एनरिच आवर वेबसाइट्स विद न्यू ब्लॉग पोस्ट, गाइड्स एंड मार्केटिंग कॉपी। Content writer responsibilities include conducting through research on industry related topics, generating ideas for new content type, and proofreading articles before publication. If you are familiar with producing online content and have an eye for detail, we would like to meet you. Feel free to share samples of your work or portfolio of your published articles along with your application. Ultimately, you will deliver quality writing pieces that appeal to our audience, attract customers, and boost brand awareness. So this is the job overview. Now let us check the responsibilities in this job role. Research industry related topics, write clear marketing copy to promote our products or services, prepare well-structured draft using content management systems, proofread and edit blog posts before publication, submit work to editors for input and approval. These are all the responsibilities. You can check all the responsibilities here. Now let us check the requirements for this job role. So first is proven work experience as a content writer, copywriter or similar role. If you are having experience in content writer, you are eligible to apply. They have not mentioned any work experience duration for this job role. If you are having experience, you can apply. Portfolio of published articles, experience doing research using multiple sources, familiarity with web publications, excellent writing and editing skills in English, hands-on experience with content management systems, example WordPress, ability to meet deadline, and here is the educational qualifications, BSc in marketing, English, journalism or related field. So these are all the requirements. So here is a pay structure, that is monthly salary is 10,000 to 12,000 during probation period of 3 months. So first 3 months is a probation period in which you will get 10,000 to 12,000 salary, after which the revised salary will be 20,000 to 25,000 plus bonuses. If you feel you are eligible for this job role, you are meeting these all the requirements, तो आपको यहाँ पे apply now बटन पर क्लिक करना है and you have to apply. After clicking on apply now, ये submit your application वाला फॉर्म ओपन हो जाएगा. They are just basic details, first name, email, mobile, phone number. You have to fill the basic details here. Then your social network and web link as Git, Dribble, Behance, Pinterest, blog, Medium to show your work. If you are having work experience, then you have to upload your experience certificate here, educational qualifications here, and then you have to click on this I'm not a robot and submit application पर click करके application को submit कर देना है. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो, वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.